Excuse me. So we're setting up for sudden death. Setting up for
Sudden death
right
is
now.
preparing. Oh my goodness.
So when you were looking at that challenge to verify it, did you have that roller coaster of emotion?
You know, I can't say I did, but I also wasn't live on stream racing against someone right in front of me.
That's true. I think that you have to give these competitors credit.
Yeah.
This is such a difficult competition, just in the pressure. And these scores are contributing back to their team for the DEF CON CTF finals.
Oh, absolutely.
So they know the weight is on their shoulders to get a solve. They want to win. They want to help their team.
And it looks like over on the other game, we missed this. Norse Code won the other match about, what, 20 minutes in.
Yes, and that's, that's kind of what we expected based on some of the discussions that we had, the verification time. That's the expectation that we have on our side, though, is it's really just a guess compared to what the other competitors are going to come up with. So we're working on getting this set up. Infrastructure, a lot going on behind the scenes here. This is not a simple operation, and I have to say our team has done a great job overcoming difficulties. It's several hardware failures, and so getting through and just running this game it's really a testament. This is somewhat of a hostile environment in that there's a lot going on in DEF CON spaces. You got everything from network issues, cable problems, laptop problems, anything can happen.
Oh
so
my gosh.
just getting the game up and having this many matches, this many competitors, it's really a feat.
All right, and we're ready for sudden death. So we're going to count it in. Again, this is an easier challenge. All right, let's count them in.
All right.
In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
All right, let's switch over to our competitors. So we're looking at Blue Water here. They're just downloading.
All right, downloading the challenge. Okay, the name of this challenge, is LOL RWX.
Well, I've got
surprise. Text is now RWX. It's a sudden death challenge. Please solve it.
I've got an idea that.
Shaking the mouse. Oh. They're like, come on, come on, come on. The name of the challenge should really give it away.
The excitement for sudden death is real.
I can't wait to see. Exactly. Sudden death.text is RWX. Where to write, what to write, how many do you want to write. Okay, so we see Blue Water just loading into IDA. Undefined just got the big Ghidra dragon on their screen. So they're just loading in right now. I don't think analysis speed is going to come into this at all. It's a very simple binary. Text is RWX. Jump anywhere. Do whatever you want. Overwrite main.
Looking at that main function, it's pretty straightforward. You got the loop. Where to write, what to write. I think it's going to be a pretty fast one.
It should be pretty easy. It's basically who can interact with the binary faster at this point. Because, just write shellcode to the beginning of main. Jump back to it. Easy.
Undefined, checking out that VM map command, showing them all of the sections and their protections.
Yeah. Meanwhile, over on Blue Water, we just saw him highlight the prompt, be like, no way. This is it? Yeah.
All you have to do is
write here we go for
directly to the program, and away you go.
Yep. Now, I really, really hope endiness doesn't bite these guys in the butt. I really hope they remember to reverse it. No, using U64. So U64 handles endiness, so that's fine. Also, that's my most used utility in Pwn Tools is P64 and U64 for pack and unpack. And it handles endiness swap. It's so nice. That's the main reason why I use the library.
Yeah, the automatic, setting the context to the elf, though they're setting it manually in that script. Really helpful. And Python pack and unpack, it's one of those not written for hackers.
No.
Why
I don't, less than I and everything, I don't know what's in there.
All right, and I think on the undefined side also we see a similar, just racing to get that shellcode written. We're writing 8 bytes at a time, so they just need to enumerate.
Identical code almost.
Yeah. We see the same idea on both sides, and then it's just a matter of how do I interact with this thing. how do I write these
Oh.
bytes there?
And on Blue Water, we just saw them write their full shell code, send 1. Where are they writing it to? 4012CA, I think is right after the main loop. Now, when I verified this challenge, I wrote it to the beginning of text because I didn't want to deal with, oh, I only have so many bytes. Oh, main is at the end of text in this.
Oh.
So if you write over the end, that's not RWX.
See, I was thinking, hey, I'll just write all my shell code just past where that loop is happening and then just nop out or jump directly after the loop.
Yeah, with like a 17-byte bin SH, right? That would work. But PwnTool's Shellcraft SH is, I think, more verbose than that because it has to do the full setup. You can't guarantee entry state on anything. Oh. They got local shell, Blue Water.
Oh, and he's just pointing at remote.
Yep, just pointing at remote. LS, submitter. Oh, submitted. And Blue Water wins it.
Blue Water takes it.
Okay.
Congratulations.
Congratulations, Blue Water.
Wow.
They won the sudden death.
What?
They were close on the main challenge. Very good match, very close match between the two. We saw trading leads back and forth a couple times as far as knowledge and exploit progress. Really, really good match.
Yeah, I mean, bravo to both competitors. The code looked so similar on both sides. They're just looking at it, just trying to get it down, and Blue Water edges them out.
Yeah.
Takes the win.
Over on our screens, we see Undefined still working through their code. I think they might have just gotten it. Oh, no, they have a loop going right now, but they're so close. So that was, let's see what the bracket looks like now. So Super Dice Code out by Norse Code. Kicked out of the bracket. So they're out first round. And Undefined now out by Blue Water, the #1 in the qualifier, I think.
Indeed, yes. They were coming in as the 1 seed, and now they'll move on in the double elim in the losers bracket, but they'll have a chance to go all the way back up, and they could still win this.
Yeah. So Blue Water going to go against Norse Code as the follow-up to this at 12 p.m. But up next, we have Orgakraut, Pig But Sad on the player screen streams. And then coming up next on the main, we have Shellfish versus TWN48.
All right, so we'll take a quick break here, but then we'll be back very shortly with that next round.
Absolutely. Thanks for joining us, and I'm glad it was a good match.
Yep. We'll see you soon.